girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer and I will be showing you how to do a French knot. And I just grabbed a scrap of white felt and 2 strands of green thread for demonstration purposes. Alright, so French knots are actually not too hard to make. They do require a little practice. When I made my first French knot, it kind of failed. It was so tiny that it kind of squished in between the fibers of the felt and I could not see it. So I had to, make adjustments and practice. But I'll show you how to make a French knot. First you come up from the bottom. Make sure you knot the end of your thread. Come up from the bottom here. Okay. And for French knots, I like to actually lay the felt down flat. Let me see if I can adjust the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, so I like to lay the felt flat down, and we're literally making a knot. Okay, so that's where I came up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab the thread. Okay. I'm going to grab the thread with my left hand and keep it tight, and take the knot. Take my needle, and I'm gonna wrap this around once, like that. And then once it's down, I'm gonna put it next to where I came up. Okay, you see that? Then tighten it. Okay, so if you can see that, hopefully. See where my needle is? Now that it's tight against the needle, not too tight though, I'm able to still move the needle. I'm going to push it through like that. I'm not moving my thumb yet. See when it gets about that point, then I start moving my thumb. And that's a French knot. I'll do a few more so you guys can have a better idea. Okay. Alright, so we're going to come back up. Like that. And we're going to lay it flat. I'm going to take the thread in my left hand and the needle in my right, and I'm going to go around once. Okay, I'm going slow. So the needle's in the back and the thread goes around like this. Okay, and then the needle goes down behind the thread like that and next to where we came up. And I'm going to tighten it all the way to the bottom, and then you can pick it up after that. Oops, see? I messed up. We'll do it again. Okay, let's try this again. Right, go around, and then next to it. See that? When you push your needle. And there you go. Another French knot. They're kind of cute up close. I'll do one more. Come up from the bottom, lay your felt flat, take the thread on the left, needle on the right, go around once, thread in the front, and then the needle ends up behind. Like that. Go beside where you came up, pull it so it meets the bottom. And then grab your felt. Make sure you push slowly. And then pull until it reaches your thumb. And then there you go. For French knots. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of tutorials on embroidery and Busilla kits. If you don't know what that is, I will link that in the cards up here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I will be happy to answer any questions that you have. If there's stitches that you want to see, also leave a comment down below. Look in my description box for my Facebook pages and my Instagram and Pinterest. Follow me on those. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!